Hi guys! It's vlog time! Ayan! Sunday evening na ngayon at nandito lang kami sa bahay. Walang ganap masyado. Kanina, nag-swimming lang si Cutie Little Pie, si Baby Castro sa second floor. After nun, dito kami sa second floor sa bahay para mag-dinner! Ayan, ito yung pagkain namin. Nag-order lang kami sa Wallace kasi mayroon pa kaming natirang pagkain kaninang snacks. So, ito yung binili namin. Wallace. Ayan, Wallace. Tadaan! Ito yung soft drinks. Ayan yung foods. Ayan. Chicken siya. Chicken. One piece chicken. Then, merong soft drinks. Merong french fries at saka what's this? Burger! Ayan. Naglalaro si Cutie Little Pie. She's doing two things at the right time. Naglalaro while watching. Nathan, let's change. We will change. We will change. Change. Show mommy what? Oh, you're doing what you're seeing there. Oh no. Ayan. Toto's changing.
You're not watching it.
Happy eating. Yummy, yummy. Nathan, eating time. It's dinner time, me love. Come here, come here. What are you doing? Ayan, pagkain. Ito yung pagkain namin. Meron pa kaming pichi-pichi, merong spaghetti, merong chocolate moron. Ayan, meron kaming tag one piece chicken sa Wallace. May soft drinks, may french fries and burger. Yan, ito. Ubusin natin to lahat. What? It's not your turn. It's Toto's turn. It's Toto's turn already, not yours. Sumpungero ka? It's your turn again. What you doing? Oh no. You just play there. Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat, me love? Yes or no? Yes. What do you want to eat? Do you want spaghetti? Eat spaghetti, bread, or rice with sabaw? O yung kung mayroong kanin, akyat na lang para kapag may gusto. Sige, bukas pangano na lang yun. Pangano na lang yun bukas. Sangag. Ayan. Guys, dito kami kumakain sa taas. Ayan. Kung minsan, every Sunday, family day. Kaya dito kami sa taas. Ayan. Kapag ordinary day, Monday to Saturday, doon lang kami sa baba. Ngayon kasi, hindi kami nagluluto. Bili-bili lang. Yan. Once a week lang yan. Once a week ganito. Ganitong ginagawa namin. Bumibili-bili lang kami. Walang luto. Yon. Every dinner time lang. Sunday dinner. Pero sa morning and afternoon nagluluto. Kasi iba din kasi yung lutong bahay. Ayan. Masarap pa din yun. At mas healthy. At higit sa lahat, mas mura pa. So, yan muna guys. Kain muna kami. Bye-bye!